What's up, everybody? C's Get Degrees here. Today we're going to be looking at my open educational resource on machine learning. So machine learning is a topic that I'm very interested in, and I feel like it's a topic that could really benefit the College of IST, but it's really hard to actually find a class that goes in depth on it. Some of the classes that we've been taking, or that I've been taking, it's touched on a little bit, and there's opportunities to learn more about it in office hours, but it's not actually part of any curriculum that I've been a part of. But today we're going to be looking at my open educational resource. I'm going to tell you why you should choose this in your next class that it comes up in. So first, one really nice thing about Hacks CMS is how easy it is to make changes to it, right? So if I want to add another page here, oops, I'm trying to demonstrate and I messed it up. If I want to add a page, you can literally just click and add. So this will say hello. You create the page. Now we've got a page that says hello. We can move it around, right? So click it. You can move it all around, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to cancel. And then if you want it gone, just click delete. There it goes forever. All right. Another benefit, or another thing that this open educational resource provides that many others don't, is the ability to make things fun, right? So when you look through here, you know, it's full of GIFs, whatever you want to call them, and that's not really something that's available using Canvas, right? The Canvas, you can't make things look fun. It can't be super engaging, super like pleasing to look at, right? So we look through here, it's full of like little customization things that, you know, help make the information not just alphabet soup. All right. All right. Next, I'm going to talk about is some of the other just open educational resources that I use to create this, I guess, right? So one that I found really informative was Machine Learning Mastery. All right, so it's just full of information on machine learning, but as I kind of said before, it's basically just alphabet soup, right? So you have to go through it. You have to look through all kinds of different links, right? It's not very visually appealing, right? So that's one benefit, or that's one of the main benefits that I think Hacks CMS provides. All right, and when you compare a site like this to a site like Machine Learning Mastery, it's pretty clear to see what would be more engaging to students. All right. So with that said, this has been C's Get Degrees signing off. Thanks for listening. Till next time.